Hey there, the team over at Ply sent over one of their 50-foot garden hoses for me to share with you. Let's take a closer look at it. This is a 5/8 inch garden hose. It is 600 PSI burst rated with a temperature rating of 0 Fahrenheit. And I like that it's not super heavy to drag around the yard. As you can see, the material on the hose itself is this woven outside material, and then the tubing of the hose is inside it. Each end of the hose has this reinforced area, so whether it's attached to the hose or to the spigot, it has some nice structure to it here. The nozzle included has 10 spray patterns, and they are clearly marked on the edge of that spray nozzle. The nozzle has an ergonomic grip to it, and the lever is easy to use with just my thumb. It also includes some extra washers for the hose and an instruction manual which clearly shows the patterns of the spray nozzle. I found this really easy to use for watering multiple areas of my yard. I have plants in different areas that need to be watered, and the hose went across the ground easily. The spray patterns were nice. It gave me just enough water where I needed it, so I really like how easy it is to use. It's got a good weight to it, multiple spray patterns. If you're looking for a new hose, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.